Happy Ugadi and happy Gudi Padwa to each and every one of you. May this new year bring a lot of joy, love, peace, happiness, prosperity and growth in your being. In this video, I'm going to share 3 deep reasons and significance of why we celebrate this festival. The third one is an important one, so stick around till the end. Hi, I'm Mukund Nayak and welcome to my channel. I'm a storyteller and I tell stories on life, living, traditions, culture and spirituality, and thus create a resource to empower each one of us. If you're here for the first time, do consider clicking that subscribe button to extend your support for this cause and stay connected. So let's get started. General information to this festival is explained on Wikipedia elaborately. But one of the striking features of this festival is celebration of growth, prosperity, new beginning and time itself. This is the celebration of first day of Chaitra month according to Hindu calendar. In fact, each and every single day of this month is dedicated to different gods. It is believed that Lord Brahma started creation of universe on this day. Every festival has a deeper significance in it. It is not only necessary but also delightful to understand the deeper significance and inculcate them. So the first significance to this festival is reverence to time. Time has no perceived beginning, nor do we know if it will ever have an end. Time is something we all have to abide by, and we can't bypass time. In fact, we live in time. Our ancients honored time. They even worshipped it. They, in their reverence, divided time to extreme precision, starting from yugas being ages, and then into masas, pakshas, muhurtas, and tithis. They even went to an extent of dividing it to milliseconds. Why was this reverence to time? Why did they pay so much respect to time? It is because time is power. It can make us, break us, it can mold us, and even heal us. Having said that, the most important aspect of time is it is an eternal evidence to all our actions. It is an account keeper. It keeps record of all our thoughts, all our words, and all our deeds, and returns the same when it is the right time. Because what we put out of our existence comes back to us. Well, we call this karma. So Ugadi is a festival which comes as a reminder to use time in a better way and in a noble way. It is that festival which reminds us that time is the one which haunts us, and it is the time which rewards us too. The second significance to Ugadi is it is concoction of emotions. Ugadi Pachadi is one of the several rituals that is followed on this day. It is mixture of 6 ingredients: raw mangoes, chilies, neem leaves, tamarind, salt and jaggery. This is personally one of my favorites for this festival. It is not just a ritual, it is in fact a life lesson itself. One of the striking features of human birth is ability to perceive, process and exhibit emotions. Emotions are everything in human life. It is inevitable part of human existence. Start it with love and end it with fear. Every single deed in our life is filled with emotions. Upanishads call life as Bhavasagara, which means life is an ocean filled with feelings and emotions. What are the emotions to do with Ugadi Pachadi? Well, it is very interesting as to how we have built this concoction based on emotions. Let's understand this. The raw mango represents surprises that life throws at us. Neem leaves represents the bitterness that we perceive in life. Tamarind is the soreness, it is the challenge that we face in life. Chili is the anger and the heat of the fear that we experience. Salt is the interest and the essence that we try to fill in life. Finally, jaggery is the love, sweetness, and pleasures that we want in life. So therefore, it is to accept everything in life with the same attitude. We often choose one emotion over the other. But then the real kick of life is to blend them and strike a balance with them. When we do this, we naturally see divine in every single aspect of creation. And then starts the newness, and then starts the excitement in life. This is one of the most important features to this festival, Ugadi. The last and the most important significance of this day is, it is the golden key. It is believed that this day marks the commencement of Kali Yuga. Sri Vedavyasa in his work Mahabharata mentions that as Lord Krishna left his mortal coil, began the age of Kali. This age of Kali is mixture of all the emotions. There is no clear white and black. It is only shades of grey. The only way to get out of this emotional mixture is to be aware of the big picture. What is the big picture? Big picture is to be human. It is to be kind. It is to be compassionate. And it is to be sensitive to all the beings on planet Earth. Here, I want to share a Sanskrit shloka from one of the Puranas. It is, Akashat patitam toyam yatha gacchati sagaram sarva deva namaskaram keshavam prati gacchati. It means, as the raindrops falling from the sky finally meet their end in the ocean, in the same way, the respect and the worship performed to anything divine finally reaches the Supreme Lord. I then heard a modified version of this when I was a student. It deeply resonated within me and something I abide by even to this day. It is, Sarva Jiva Namaskaram Keshavam Pratigacchati. Sarva Jiva Tiraskaram Keshavam Pratigacchati. It means when you respect and see divinity in all the creatures and all the beings, it reaches the Supreme Lord. And when you hate or when you give pain to other creatures or other beings, it reaches the Supreme Lord. This is the golden key for this age of Kali Yuga. It is to respect, be kind, and to love every single living thing, creature, and being on planet Earth. Let us make planet Earth a better place to live, because this is the only home we have. Let us love this planet, in fact, revere it for all the abundance, growth, and prosperity it showers on us. May Mother Earth truly be revered as Mother and not just as a planet. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, do give a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to check other videos on the channel. Remember, wherever you are, whatever you are doing, celebrate your life and celebrate your living. See you in the next one. Until then, peace.